This feels like a good place to start. Right here. I wished I'd have turned my camera on 10 seconds earlier. Seeing what exactly transpired right here.
Well, just know it was Joseph's fault.
Yeah, it was Joseph's fault, I'm sure. All right, we're trying to make this thing look like a race car today. If y'all been keeping up last couple videos, at least they're laughing over there. If y'all been keeping up last couple videos, we've been getting ready to go south, go racing. This is, see if I can find it right here. This is Faithful, right there. Car we ran the crate engine in all last year. We put our super late model engine. It's the Dream, but got it back from Race Tech. Sent it to Race Tech. Eric up there freshened it up. Got it in the last video. Fired it up. Did we get our carburetor studs?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. All right. But other than that, we'll take these bolts out and put studs in there. Other than that, everything should be pretty good with the engine, right?
No, we gotta put a throttle rod.
Okay.
And we gotta
shows what I know.
Throttle spring mount.
Okay.
Then it'll be done.
Then it'll be right. So some minor stuff there. Then we'll be good. You gotta get a breather on right here. Don't forget about that.
Yeah, that's coming.
The goal for today, though, get the body on it. 2 bodies on it. 2 wraps on it.
Okay. On today.
Oh, just one today?
We don't have the other wrap.
Oh, that other wrap hasn't come yet. I knew that, actually. Jason at Freestyle, he shipped one to make sure we got it in time. And then he shipped the other one, just went out yesterday. Yeah. So, yeah, 1 wrap on today. All right. So, yeah, hoping to get the body on it, make it look like a race car today. That's the plan. Y'all hang tight and we'll see if that comes to fruition. You know how plans are. What?
Have to pay.
Hey, I do.
The door's gonna mount right here.
We also replaced the back. We put a new roof on it. Was the other roof cracked? Hey, why did we put a new roof on it?
The old roof is broke right here.
Oh, yeah, old roof was broke, but it's going on the car out there, right? Brace it up. Okay.
We'll see.
Well, we put a new roof on here, and new back half of the deck here has been replaced as well. That was off camera. He giving you the what for?
Oh, he just being everyday normal. You know what the problem is his deck's big.
Y'all didn't straighten it?
Back up now.
Okay. Tech tip of the day.
What the heck is that? That ain't gonna work.
Here's your tech tip for today: is you can't put a door on with a bent deck piece. Got a little ahead of ourselves there.
You're gonna pick it up while you're doing that.
Easy.
All right, what do you think? There, that's it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Now then, now we're ready.
That's it. On this car today, get the body on this thing completely done. Plastic, braced up, everything. And then tomorrow we'll just
When the other wrap comes.
put a couple rivets in that Jesse's car.
Stick it on there and put the wrap on it.
Get
This body will be on here and done hopefully today.
Yes.
Plastic to everything, trim. Then tomorrow when the other wrap gets here, we'll put the other body on that car and stick the wrap on it. Then pull it off, take it as a spare.
Y'all know how it is. You can't. The reason we're doing it twice is because you got to have spare panels.
Yeah, you can't go racing for 5 nights and not have spare everything basically. Ideally we'd have a spare car, but that won't be the case.
And spare panels.
Yeah, and spare panels. Anyway, that's the plan. We're gonna start out Monday, January 31st at Bubba Raceway Park in Ocala.
Yeah.
And then race there Tuesday, and then we'll have a day off on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's the 3rd through the 5th. We also race. Anyway, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday next week we'll be racing with the Lucas Oil Series at Alltech in Lake City. Hey, does this need to go in there?
No.
Okay.
Well, I mean,
We'll put it on afterward?
no, I mean, it goes back.
Oh, okay, y'all ain't there yet.
Right.
I see.
We're about to be there.
I see.
Almost there. Almost there.
To the next one.
What?
We'll hold Ric Flair until you come in. We'll go to the next one.
All right.
Henry, are you Ric Flair?
No.
What does Ric Flair say?
Woo.
No.
What? Give us a Ric Flair.
Woo!
I'm really going for the Undertaker.
Oh, okay, he's pretty stout
You
too.
ever seen the Undertaker do this?
No.
You ever seen the Undertaker do that? You know what I'm talking about, don't you?
I didn't watch wrestling. That's
I
why this
watch
is
it.
all new. I mean, I know who Ric Flair
Hey.
is, Hulk Hogan, that kind of thing.
That was Undertaker.
Is that what he did?
Yeah, do you think he's dead?
Oh, then he gets up.
He's dead man walking.
Okay, now we know.
Anyway. Oh, before man put this on?
Yeah.
Okay.
So in case y'all didn't realize, Tennyson's
Quick
big
look at it,
into wrestling right now. It's funny though, like he gets into wrestling, and then all of a sudden he's talking about these wrestlers from when I was a kid.
Before
You know what
I was
mean?
a kid.
Yeah. Like he was talking about Macho Man Randy Savage.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Let me tell you something, brother. Oh wait, no, that's Hulk Hogan. Never mind.
Well, Savage sounded kind
Yeah,
of the same.
he was that.
Mm-hmm.
What did he say?
What did he say?
He said something.
Snap into a Slim Jim.
Yeah.
Didn't he do those commercials?
Yeah, he was that guy.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Hold this even with the door down like that and drill me down the hole.
Una más. Ready?
Boys, we're gonna leave out of here.
Y'all ain't gonna hang out?
We did come around to see y'all and
Well,
Yeah. Say hey to everybody on YouTube.
hello.
ready?
Yeah, go.
Y'all welcome to stand around as long as you want.
Put y'all to work if you don't watch out.
You know, they used to hang, back in the old days, they used to hang chains in front of the radiator.
Yeah.
Back in the old days.
Mm-hmm.
It worked.
Oh yeah.
Now this is what they do. Shaker screen, like they sit here and shakes and keeps any dirt from sticking.
Oh, same principle.
Yeah.
It was changed.
Except a little bit cleaner.
Yeah.
See y'all. Glad you stopped by.
Good to see you guys.
Yep.
We'll talk at you.
Y'all
See you
take it
later.
easy, man.
All right.
So that was Mr. Henry and Mr. Carroll stopping by to check us out. Maybe they'll see themselves on YouTube.
I'll hold up on you pop in. Come on. You good now.
I think it's staying now.
We wipe it down, wipe all this residue off of everything.
Okay, sides are on it. We'll attach those in a minute. We're gonna go ahead and stick a wrap. Look good? Yeah. Okay. So this is it. The wrap.
Wrap in a box.
Wrap in a box. Okay.
A lot of white, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
There we go.
Spoiler.
We gotta find somewhere to put all this stuff.
They don't roof of Jesse's car.
Knew that car was good for something.
We're cleaning the surface.
Right. Step one, clean the
Step
surface
one.
area.
Clean the surface. Night.
Did you get covered and stuff?
Yeah.
I think it's
Water went everywhere. Didn't expect that.
That's different.
It's a wrap. Still see the same colors. A lot of red, black, and white.
Oh, but wait.
Just wait.
Oh, just
Just
wait. There's
wait.
more. Hold on, Penny.
There's more white.
That's on the left side. Roll it back up.
Left side.
Ain't it though?
Yes, that is gonna be a left side. Easy, buddy.
Watch out, Penny.
And we'll roll you up in it. Is the right side tucked in it though?
Oh.
No, there's just gonna be in here.
Here we go.
Man, it's just like they just roll it all up and pack all kinds of stuff in there. Yeah, that's your right side right there.
Flip it over. Flip it over. There we go. Oh, baby.
Whoa! Get it off the ground! Oh, shoot! There you go. All better.
Woo!
All right. Oh yeah, you know. Just wait till we get it all finished up. Mhm. All right, I'm gonna have to put this on time lapse so I got more hands.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all get to watch on time lapse. Enjoy. Joseph got to get the rocker panels on. Jordan been over here cutting this whole time we were sticking the wrap on. It's a little nicer when those come already bolted on the door, huh?
Yeah. Dude.
Dude.
That looks pretty good.
Jesse, come tell them what we learned over here.
We learned having the line up lines and stuff
Yeah.
is really difficult. Our old wraps, the old wraps, there was a break.
Right. So here,
It's tough.
Yeah, see how we got 3 different things we got to match up there? It's going to be a good place for a sticker to cover that up.
Hey, they all look good in Victory Lane.
And they all look good out
Stand
front.
in front of it.
Yeah, just stand in front of it. Or stand back a ways. All right, got to get our rocker panels on the bottom, spoiler, roof post. Then we can stand back and look at it.
You have black instead of white.
Was it what?
That makes it look
Hey,
good.
shout out to ATC bolts and
Oh, yeah.
fasteners
Yeah, it's hooked up.
for our clutch
Yeah,
black
black
body
bolts.
bolts. Man, I think that's gonna finish it off.
Yeah, that's what's going to really set it off right there. Also, Freestyle Graphics, that's who did the wrap. Been using them for, this is, I think, our 3rd year now. Really, really cool folks to work with, and everything turned out nice.
Oh yeah. Right on, baby. Good job, Jordan. Good job.
Yeah, all of it.
All of it. What are you doing right now? Good job. Really good job. This one up.
What?
He wants, he's considering a black spoiler side.
Just the side with the white blade.
So like that.
Yeah.
What about
but
the
we ain't
centerpiece?
got
White. White.
Yeah, the center will be white, and he's gonna have black on the side. We got
That's
We
the
got
thing,
new
we're trying
white
to see if
over
we
there.
can find some black ones, because I didn't order black ones.
Joe's having a change of heart right here on us, changing his mind up on us.
We had some black ones. I know we did. Go look out here, Jess. I'm about to.
Didn't see him. Oh, did you find some new ones?
No, they're not new, but
Oh.
they're definitely not like used up bad.
Right. You stick a sticker on there to look brand new, shine it up. I don't know. What y'all think? Oh, my bad. Oh, that ain't gonna work. Here, pick that up. Pick that up, Joey. All right, that's what we're talking about doing right there. Black spoiler, white spoiler, black spoiler side. I don't know.
White
Or white, or just, put the white back. We got brand new white right there. Should we put those on?
What
I
say
don't know.
you, Jesse? Hold on.
What's the white? Yeah.
Oh, let me get over there where I can see. All right, there's the white. Yeah, let's see the black.
Got a good visual?
Well, let me give them a
I'm
closer.
saying everybody
Everybody see it?
see it?
Okay. Come on with the black.
Alright.
Scratching up our new deck.
Yeah.
Mm.
I like black.
I think I like the black.
I like the black.
Black looks pretty good.
Okay. Not a brand new spoiler side, but
No, it's
oh,
not
did Jesse take pictures? Anyway, I think we're going with the black. Y'all let us know if you think that's the right or the wrong choice, black or white on the spoiler side. Hey, it's your race car, Joey.
I like it.
Oh,
You
nailed
need to
it.
go up there and get some black side.
You gonna put that one on there for now?
I am.
Yeah, that's all we got.
I'm glad we stocked up on the white ones.
Now that's contrast colors right there.
Yeah, I don't know about that one, Julie.
No.
We disapprove.
No.
Absolutely not.
That looks stupid. Oh yeah.
a bolt. Yeah,
That'll do.
I think so.
If this was new, not all scuffed up.
We go and just shove the nose on there.
We could.
It's in our way.
It's alright.
There it is, boys.
Yeah, I like it. Jesse,
I like it.
Jordan.
I like it.
All right. YouTube, commenters, what y'all think? Feel like it'd be a good time to say thank you to our sponsors, Langenfelder Mechanical Contractors. Mark and Josh been with us since last year. We're glad to have them back on board again this year. Base Racing Fuel. We've been on Base Racing Fuel a couple years now, and can't say enough good things about Base, the fuel, and the folks. Trading Paints. If you're on iRacing and you're not using Trading Paints, you need to be. Right, Jesse?
That was right.
And this design is on there, I believe. It's available right now. Get on Trading Paints. And you can be racing as Joseph with a new design right now on Trading Paints. Thanks to Trading Paints for being a part of the program here again this year. Law offices of Colin Davis. Thanks to Craig and family for being a part of the team here. Capital Race Cars, Penske Shocks, Stop Tech Brakes, Earnhardt Technologies Group, Dirt Defender, Gorsuch Performance Solutions, Freestyle Graphics. They did the wrap. Did a great job, Jason and his bunch. Weir's Machine, Jones Racing Products, Schoenfeld Headers, Base, QA1, and Roberts & Sons Aluminum. Dirt Car Live, Dirt Track Bank. Can't say enough good things about Dirt Track Bank. Jay takes care of us up there. If you're needing to get you a truck or trailer, check with Dirt Track Bank for your financing. They'll get you hooked up.
Plenty of room for more.
There you go. Plenty of room for more. We got to cover up this right here. So
Yeah.
there you go.
Yeah.
All right. It got cold. It got late and cold quick. But y'all see it, there it is. We'll have to put the front end on it and finish up. I don't know, what else is there? Is there a lot? Yeah. So there's still a lot to do, but y'all see the body.
We'll try to load her tomorrow.
Tomorrow, get loaded up and be ready to go. We're going to Ocala. There at Bubba Raceway Park on Monday and Tuesday. All Tech Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Racing with the Lucas Oil Late Model Dirt Series. It's going to be fun. Y'all let us know what you think of the look going into 2022 here. And what do y'all think of the spoiler here? What do y'all think of the black spoiler sides? Should we use what we got there or put the white on it? Y'all let us know what you think. I'm a little partial to the black ones, I ain't gonna lie. All right, thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will see y'all later. Have a good one.
But I still need to work on the cars.
Yeah, we're gonna get back to work, huh? Adios.
Adios, amigos.